The first Noel, the angels did say, was to Saturn